What's up, everybody? I am fulfilling a bucket list hike today. It's not a super long hike, but it's to a very, very cool spot. It's called Vasquez Rocks. It is a famous area that has been in numerous Hollywood films, but it was made famous by one of my very, very favorite episodes of the original Star Trek called Arena. It's where Captain Kirk battles the captain of the Gorn ship, and they are transported here to this planet where they have to battle it out using only their physical strength and wits. And this rock features prominently in that episode. I've been wanting to see this place for most of my life, but I only recently found out where it was. Turns out it's way down by Los Angeles. Blah. But since we went to Disneyland on the way back, it was only about 15 miles off the freeway. I was like, I'm probably never gonna have a chance to do this again. So my hiking partner Ember here and I are gonna go climb Vasquez Rocks. All right, well, we did it. I don't know which of the rocks the Gorn built his thing on, so I'm just gonna go do all of them. Well, it was really cool being out here. Hope you enjoyed this. This is Backcountry Pilgrim. Thanks for watching.